Hi beauties, how are you doing? I hope you are good. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I style this fluffy kink hair step by step, and I'll also show you how to take it down. Easy and safe way to take this fluffy kink down so that you can use it again if you may like to do it. If it's the first time you're watching my video, thank you so much. You are welcome. Feel at home. My name is Glory Mtui, and please, before you leave, subscribe and give this video a thumb up. This is the length of my hair, not too short, so I go ahead and start to part my hair in back section. I tried as much as I can to make a straight line. So after I finish divide my section, in this video I will be using two different kind of hair. The first one is this kinky style of fluffy kinky hair. I got it from Darling Company. You may got this hair in Kenya or in Tanzania. So this is how it is. This hair is very light, guys, and this is the length of each piece. I will also use Afro Twist Braid. It resembles with Marley hair. This is how it is. So I take Afro Twist hair and I cut into 4 equal parts. Like this, and then I divide my sections. So after I finish dividing the section, I take fluffy kink hair and I pick one side which is not so beautiful. I trim a little because I don't want my hair be too long, and then I take Afro Twist hair and I pull a little bit out. This is because I want to get very easy ends when I start braid my hair. So this side I pull out will be end. I take fluffy kink hair, I put middle of my hair, and then I fold my hair. My ring finger is under this section so that I can release my thumb finger, and I can use my thumb finger to hold this Marley hair. And then I'll start wrapping. You may wrap in any direction, but you have to be sure that you are not wrapping too much because we don't want you to cause too much tension. Slowly wrapping. I wrap till I finish wrap on top of my natural hair, and then after that I start wrapping backward. Today my voice not so well. I got flu. I apologize for this, but I hope I'll get better soon. So I'm so sorry guys for my today's voice. So I continue wrapping till the hair I'm wrapping with finish, and then I put the hair on my palm. Then I roll it just to secure the hair well. I'll also show you guys how I braid this hair in different angles so that it will not be hard for you to style your hair. So middle I also fold into 2. Why I fold into 2 is to avoid to make too long locks, and also to make easy to take them down. Every past we have, the future we will see. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. So middle here I make sure I also fold my hair, and then I put this section on top of my hand so that I'll not tag it in when I make locks, and then I start make lock. You may see the direction I use to lock the middle hair is very different compared with the way I lock my hair in right side and left side, because in the middle you have to hold it well so that your hair can move in all directions when you want style, because I don't want to braid this hair and every day I can put on only one style. I want to change different styles, so I have to make sure all the hair they can move in all direction. Not like after I finish locks I find that the hair cannot move only one way, so that I must wear only one style till I take this hair down. I don't like that, so that's why I move my head in different direction when I want braid hair in different position. Middle hair I put the hair in different way, and right and left I put in different way. So here I almost done with my hair, and this is the last section. In front section I fold going back so that it will be easy for my hair to move in all direction when I want style different styles, and I continue do a very short lock on this section. So guys, here I'm done with this hair. Before I show you the final result, let me show you first how you can take down easily these locks. First of all, you have to start pulling down. Just do like you're unrolling and pull down. When you're doing this, hold your hair so that you'll not break your hair. The more you're rolling, keep pulling down. Roll, pull down, roll, pull down, and the more you're pulling down, you'll find the locks slowly start to move out. Then finally, completely, the hair move out. Just simple like this. This hair you can reuse it again by pulling out this section you put locks. By pulling out, and your fluffy kinky will remain like this. You may use again after wash if you keep long time. And guys, this is the final result for my today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for your endless support. I will see you soon on my next video, guys. Bye bye.
When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your